Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Today we have two broken iPhone 11 screens that we're going to be working on. So you can see the cracks. We'll just start with this one. So everything still works, just has a lot of cracks in it. And this is the regular 11. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and then show you the final result. So I hope you enjoy. And we are done. So 12 minutes and 43 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone 11 screen. Now we use all OEM grade parts, so you're going to get the same colors, blacks, whites, things like that. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help you. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, our Facebook, and our website. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of my customers and everyone for watching. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.